What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is Rusty and we are back with this 2016 Toyota Sienna rebuild. So if you guys have not watched my part 1 on this video, I pretty much explained the damage that we have to do on this van. So it's pretty simple. We have all the parts we already purchased for this thing. We got color matched hood, we had color matched bumper, but I got it repainted, so it's off to the body shop. It's getting redone and I have all the parts stashed inside the van. Why is it locked? Oh yeah, that power door slide. Where my parts at? There you go. There's my hood, there's my grills, all this other stuff. This is other boxes that I've purchased that it's a little secret. I'll show you guys later. I got my reinforcement bar, my grill, and we are good to go to pull this frame. So in my other video, I remember I explained to you guys that we're gonna ghetto rig this frame by pulling it with the forklift, right? So we're not 100% sure if we're gonna do that. We do have a buddy right there that has a frame machine. If it's available today, we're gonna go ahead, put this on. It'll be a lot better and faster if we put it on the frame machine, pay him like $100 to use it real quick and pull this out. And we need to, oh man, I forgot, but we need to take these headlights off first real quick and then we can get started. Also, we're gonna go ahead and remove this hood and place in our OEM replacement, because when we do the frame, we're gonna have to pull this support a little bit, and we have a new lock also. This lock got deleted. Look at this thing. I don't know what happened exactly. Somebody, I guess, tried to hit it because this hood was stuck. You can tell they were forcing this hood open, and we're gonna go ahead and remove it, replace the hood so we see how much we need to pull it, get all our alignments correct, and get this thing straightened out. All right, we got the replacement hood on and we got the forklift in position, and this is our frame rail. It was a little hump there. We got rid of it mostly, so it looks good, and now we got to just keep on going, pull it out a little more. All right, why we put the forklift sideways is because this went in this way a little bit, so now we're gonna get the forklift and put it in straight to pull this part out right here. Pretty much to get you guys a good idea where we have these forks, we have them right underneath what we call the subframe, and it's on really hard metal, so it should be all Gucci. And now we're gonna pull it straight out.
Ми зараз низ підтягуємо, бо воно може виворачувати отак трохи, потім на заверх. Скільки зможемо, а потім рібар відкрутимо, будемо дивитися. Витягує, так? Скажи, Віктор. Все, забираємо. Болти там повитягуєш.
So as you can tell, the rebar is slightly different. We got a little bit of damage here, so we need to pull this little piece out. We got a special little tool for this. We put it right here and it's gonna bring it all the way out. Should be perfect. And the frame is complete. As you guys can tell, it's not perfect. You guys can tell it's been a little modified. I put a little touch-up paint here and there. It doesn't matter. We're about to try out this rebar. We're gonna put it on and hopefully it fits up well. As you guys can tell, I already said this, but this one is missing some weird counterweight. This is the original one. This is an original one, but it's from 2015. This one's a 16, so I guess they added some piece to it, but it's gonna be weight reduction, so it's gonna get a little better MPG, right? So let's put this on real quick, put on the headlights, make sure everything's all Gucci, and we've already lined up the hood. There's our little mark right there, and it's a little smaller here, but it's a family van. It doesn't really matter. Yeah, it's good?
Yeah, you won't.
Oh, there you go. No, it's good. It's good. It's good to go. The lines are looking well. It's my dad approved, so he's the one that was helping me out doing the frame job on a forklift. This is the Slavic way. But look, guys, you can pay somebody $500–600 to do this frame job, or you take a couple hours out of your day and do it yourself. We chose the best way out. We chose this way because it's gonna be my van. I trust it. A lot of people don't like this kind of work, but I don't mind it. It's not bad. Let's try out this rebar, put it on, and try out the headlights. Headlights are installed and the sun is going down here in Florida, so it's gonna be a kind of weird view for you guys. I'm just gonna explain real quick what I'm about to do. These headlights right here are all good. So the problem is I had a chance to buy all new headlights, maybe black housing, something aftermarket, and that would look a lot better than these chrome housing ones. The only issue I'm having is that they don't last long. So this is my family van I'm gonna have, so I think the aftermarket ones last, you know, they start fading out and start leaking water within about a year. So since these are OEM and the only issue is it with these front tabs broken right here, I can fix just these front tabs and it's gonna be okay. So how I'm gonna do this is you drill a small hole right here, small hole in the plastic, you get wire, you put the wire through here, and then you fill this crack up with JBL. So this like liquid weld pretty much, and it's permanent fix. Why I'm gonna do this on a vehicle is because you don't wanna get these tabs off and glue them on and then install the light and it's gonna be slightly off and then it's gonna crack right away. So that's why you do it on the vehicle. We're gonna line this, you know, line it up like this, drill small holes, put the wire through it so it's nice and secure, and then pour JBL in it. We're gonna go ahead and do that real quick, and then we're gonna go pick up the painted bumper from my buddy's shop. She is looking great. So this is the next day, and we've got these brackets fixed up, and there was JBL and wire in between, and on top of that, we put JBL steel around it, and then we touched up painted. You can't even tell. Same thing as this side. Main important thing is the headlights are matching the hood outline, exactly the same on each side. So she is ready to go, and as you guys can tell, we are moved at a different location because she is roadworthy now, and I actually sold my Tacoma. She's nowhere in sight. Good luck, new owner. She's a really great truck. I did rebuild her if you guys want to check that video out. I don't know what's up with me in white cars. I got the white van, got the white Tacoma. I did that silver Prius and the other cars, but whatever. We are done for today. Psych. I got my bumper painted also. You thought I was gonna leave you guys there? We're gonna complete this rebuild in 2 days. Yes, I said 2 days. Also, we just need to install these bottom grills, the top grill. That's later when the bumper is installed. So let's get to it. Speed headlight. Noah, are you scared of the car wash? Oh, baby, it's okay. Look. Thank you for helping me fix the car, okay, Noah? Thank you. High five. Yeah. So the van is done, and you guys can tell a little bit of a color difference. You know, this is a lot whiter than this. That's because this clear bra is the main cause. Since this is original fenders, this hood we changed, and this is original fenders, so the color does not match up quite right because this is older paint. This is about 5 years old and this is brand new. So over time I will take off this clear bra right here and buff this section out and buff the hood out, so it's going to be a lot wider and it's going to match up to the bumper. But for right now, it's good to go. It's good to go for a family van. The only thing we have left to do is the headlight bulbs. We have original halogen bulbs right there, and on this side I just installed the LED bulbs that Last Fit sent me again. This company is awesome. They keep sending me light bulbs for some reason, and I keep installing them on all my cars. I'm actually going to be installing it on my bike, and they are the most reliable LED bulbs I've ever had. Some of the cheap China ones that I buy for 12, 20 bucks, they're very annoying. They flicker and go out, but these ones are very sturdy and the quality is very nice. Open. This is the original one and this is the Last Fit bulb. It's pretty high quality. Very nice bulb. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description for you guys. If you are very interested, I would buy them. They come in any size for pretty much all the vehicles you want, and look how ugly that is. So I'm gonna install the other one right here, and this van is ready to go. All right, and this van is complete. I'm about to give you guys the price reveal on this 2016 Sienna with 49,000 miles. Who's that over there? Yo, what are you doing? You installing LED headlights too?
They're from China, I think, but they're pretty
How
good.
much you get them for?
$11.99.
Dang, 12 bucks. Okay, guys, this is what I was talking about. I mean, they work, right?
Yeah.
They work. I mean, turn them on.
Just
Let's
put
check them out.
just-
Oh, they're on. Let's see how long they last for.
Yeah.
Do you guys recognize this car? It's on my channel 2 years ago or 3 years ago. This is my old Miata. I sold for like 3 grand, and this guy picked it up for how much? How much you pick it up for?
1,500.
1,500 bucks. It's what, 100,000 miles on it?
111.
Wow, that's insane. I mean, that's a good deal. I would have bought it back also, but I mean, it's a rebuild title. I remember I bought it like that before and he bought it back, but this guy kind of messed up the top on it. Yeah, whatever. You got a new top though, right?
Yeah, we gotta put that on.
Awesome. And this guy, what is your YouTube channel name?
Melno.
I'm gonna link it down below. He's just starting back up. He had awesome videos, awesome editing. So if you guys want to hit him up, go ahead. He is my little brother, so you know, give him a quick shout right there. And he's gonna be doing a lot of videos coming up, so subscribe.
Soon, but not too soon, you know.
Hell yeah. All right, back to the price reveal. I purchased this Sienna off auctions with fees and everything. It cost me almost $9,000 plus $200 shipping plus $555 for all the parts that I went to Orlando and bought. Also extra, I bought $100 seat covers because, you know, kids and all, I'm gonna need the seat covers. $135 for rubber mats because, again, kids, you know, they're gonna destroy your carpets. $55 for the battery, and I paid him $150 to paint and resurface this OEM bumper. So totally right now it cost me $10,200, which is a very good deal, but I didn't count in insurance and inspection yet. This is a salvage vehicle, so inspection is going to be about $200 plus taxes will be like $550 plus registration and all that. It's gonna cost me almost $11,000. So recap, this is gonna be a rebuild title vehicle after inspection. So it's gonna, a 2016 with less than 50,000 miles, gonna cost me $11,000, which in my eyes is a very good deal. These vans are going for about $20,000 right now, so I almost got 50% discount. Well, that's it for this video, guys. I appreciate it for watching. Stick tuned for more videos. I know this rebuild video is probably kind of boring for some of you. Oh, you're rebuilding a minivan. Yeah, but bro, I'm still rebuilding something, right? It is for me. It is not for resale, so don't worry about all the ghetto rigging of the lights and here and there. It's gonna be for my vehicle, and then probably in a year or two I'm gonna sell it. It's still gonna be a very reliable vehicle. So I appreciate it, guys. Stay blessed. Stay tuned for more videos. Deuces.